There is a massive quiet panic unfolding right now among high-end PC manufacturers, and it all traces back to a single engineering breakthrough inside Apple's silicon development labs. For the past year, tech analysts and supply chain insiders have been warning that a massive disruption was coming to the world of personal computing, a device so fundamentally advanced that it would completely redouble the gap between ordinary laptops and true professional workstations. Today, that disruption has officially arrived, and it is completely rewriting the rules of what a mobile machine can execute. The technology landscape has just experienced a permanent welcome to my channel tech launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Irreversible shift because the MacBook Pro equipped with the M6 Max chip isn't just an annual upgrade. It is a terrifyingly powerful computing monster engineered to completely vaporize heavy workloads, leaving every other laptop on the planet looking like an ancient, stuttering relic of the past. To truly comprehend the sheer scale of what has just happened, you have to understand that professional laptops have always been built on a compromise. For decades, the industry standard dictated that if you wanted true, desktop-grade computing power, you had to accept a massive, heavy chassis, a deafening cooling fan that sounds like a jet engine taking off, and a battery that drains to zero in less than 2 hours. If you wanted portability and long battery life, you had to sacrifice raw performance. It was an invisible, frustrating law of physics that every creative professional, developer, and data scientist simply had to live with. But behind closed doors, Apple's architecture team decided to launch a massive, uncompromised assault on those very laws of physics. They didn't just tweak the existing silicon blueprint. They completely revolutionized the processing matrix to create a machine that delivers unthrottled, desktop-shattering performance while drawing a fraction of the power. The absolute second you open the lid of this machine, you realize you are dealing with a completely different tier of craftsmanship. The chassis feels incredibly dense, structurally flawless, and remarkably premium. There is zero flex, zero compromise, and an almost obsessive attention to structural balance. But everything else completely fades into oblivion the exact moment that display comes alive. This panel is an absolute masterpiece of visual engineering, transforming how you perceive digital content. The contrast ratios are essentially infinite, producing ink-like, bottomless blacks alongside searing, hyper-vibrant highlights that give imagery an almost three-dimensional depth. Whether you are grading high dynamic range cinematic footage, editing thousands of raw megapixel photographs, or compiling massive streams of code in a sunlit room, the panel maintains a level of pristine clarity and color accuracy that makes external professional reference monitors entirely redundant. The fluid responsiveness is so perfectly optimized that every window movement, UI transition, and micro-interaction happens with a sweeping smoothness that feels completely instantaneous. But a flawless chassis and a breathtaking screen are just the prelude to the absolute destruction that happens when you push the M6 Max chip to its limits. This system is driven by a custom-engineered architecture built on a microscopic, ultra-dense fabrication process that fits an astronomical number of transistors onto a single slice of silicon. We are not talking about minor, single-digit percentage bumps in benchmark scores here. We are talking about a massive, multi-generational leap in raw computing power that utterly redefines mobile productivity. The data pipelines inside this chip are so incredibly wide that the very concept of a bottleneck has been completely eradicated. You can throw multiple streams